In for Pennsylvania's COVID-19 cases, for the very first time, they include people who are fully vaccinated. Eyewitness News reporter Jan Carabeo is live in the CBS 3 News Center to break down the numbers. Good morning, Jan.
Jim, good morning. The state of Pennsylvania is releasing new numbers on breakthrough cases of COVID-19. Now, these breakthrough cases are usually mild, but these numbers do show some fully vaccinated people are still at risk. And now there is also concern about a growing number of infections among children. For the first time, Pennsylvania's acting Secretary of Health is releasing numbers on breakthrough COVID cases. Those are people who tested positive after being fully vaccinated. But the message remains the same. Most cases involve the unvaccinated.
The vast majority of COVID-19 related cases, hospitalizations, and deaths occurred in people who were not vaccinated.
The new numbers show that out of close to 640,000 COVID cases in Pennsylvania, 6% were among those fully vaccinated.
If you get sick and you had the vaccine, you're not going to get as sick as you might have without the vaccine.
Roughly 1,800 people who were vaccinated in the state ended up in the hospital, and most of them had other medical complications. And of the more than 6,000 people who died, 213 were breakthrough cases. That's about 3% who were fully vaccinated.
The vaccines are our best tool to protect ourselves against the virus, keep our children learning in school, keep our workforce in person, and to foster social and economic recovery.
But despite the vaccine benefits, children too young to get vaccinated remain at risk.
There is one big gap in the vaccination strategy. If you're under the age of 12, you can't get the vaccine yet.
And cases in children have risen dramatically. In the first week of September 2021, among children between the ages of 5 and 18, there were 5,371 COVID cases. That's an 835% increase over the same week last year. So now Governor Tom Wolf is once again calling on everyone eligible to get vaccinated in an effort to protect those who can't.
And by getting vaccinated, you're protecting other people's loved ones in addition to your own. You're lightening the burden for parents, for teachers, for nurses, and for doctors, the burdens they carry each and every day.
And while 67% of Pennsylvanians over the age of 18 are now fully vaccinated, the state is still reporting about 4,000 new cases a day. We're live in the news center. Jan Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Now back in.
All right, Jan, thank you for